So there's been a lot of people that asked me, how do I manage to fold the back seat of my Toyota Hilux? So instead of explaining it again, if you like this video, I'll show you how. Now you do have to keep in mind that in order to do this whole process, at first you're going to have to remove or loosen the back seat completely. This is done by, in the rear corners underneath, you'll see two bolts. So you lift the seat, the sitting area, you lift it up by pulling the strap in the middle of the seat here, like so, and the seat will lift up. While this is up, you can undo the two bolts on the one side, the two bolts on the other side, and it will be able to move. Once you've done that, you lift the whole backrest up so that the two hooking points unhook, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so after you've taken the seat out, you need to do the following procedure. You obviously have the backrest exposed like this, and you'll see the two hooks on either side like this. Now, in order to make this work, you'll need to shave about half an inch or about 1.2 centimeters off both sides of this hook at the bottom end here, so that where it hooks into the hooks or the hooking points over here on the cab itself, it won't be able to stay hooked once you lift the bottom end. Once you lift the bottom end, it'll lift the backrest as well and unhook from here. So therefore you'll be able to then enter the infinite pit of doom behind your back seat. Something where if you drop something in there, you'll usually have to remove the whole back seat to get it. Or for some cases like mine, you can install some subwoofers behind the seats as well. The possibilities are endless. You can store stuff here, you can retrieve stuff from here, whatever you need. Now, once you've shaved or cut off the two little bits or the two little ends of the two hooks here, you might see that it doesn't quite want to hook back in, or it doesn't want to unhook. Now, in order to fix that, you take a rubber mallet, and if it doesn't unhook or doesn't hook back in, you just bang it a bit from the top so that it bends a bit down. And if it doesn't want to stay hooked in when you drop the back seat and it still tilts forward, you bang it a bit up so that it grabs the hook again so that it can reach. And if that's the case and it's correct height, this should be able to close quite easily and stay closed. So we'll just tilt this back up against the back end, pull the lever again, and you'll see it clips back in automatically when the seat is dropped, and this is solidly stuck now where it should be. Now, because I showed you this simple method to solve this problem, you need to like this video. Until next time, thank you.